Hey guys, it's Amber, and today I'm going to teach you how to make the PDF that the customer receives when you are selling your digital products. This is something it'll look like, and when they click the button, it'll open it in Canva. So you can do this in any shape, but I like to do them in a flyer shape, and we're just going to go based off of that one we already did. So I am going to go ahead and copy over some texture just because I like the way it looks on my design, and obviously you can make this as less detailed or as detailed as you want it to be, but since I already have the text, I'm going to go ahead and grab it and just paste it. This is basically thanking them for their purchase, and then like a short little copyright thing saying please don't resell this as it is. I highly recommend putting those in your terms. Then we're going to hit R on the keyboard and summon a square, and this is where we're going to put the preview of our template. This is totally optional, but I just think it looks nice, so I'm going to go ahead and round those corners, and then I'm going to duplicate it, and then out of the second one we're going to go and make the button that the customer is going to be clicking on to access their template. Now I like to go and hyperlink every single element in the design just in case somebody clicks somewhere weird or whatever, but it really just ensures that no matter where they click, they will access the template eventually. So I'm just going to go ahead and align these the way I want them, and then I'm going to add a short little text like click here to access your template, and that is what we're going to be putting onto our button, just making it very simple and very obvious of where to click. The text is kind of giving me a hard time here, but yeah, just put whatever you want there. You can also make the buttons pop more with a different color or whatever you like. I just like to change the color of each PDF and the different downloads that I have, so it's not always the same one, but you could definitely have it be the same one. So we are going to go into the design that we're basically sharing, so the template link, and to do this you do need to have Pro. So this is the design I'm sharing. It's going to be composition book covers, and this is in my shop if you want it. You're going to go to share and then template link. As you can see, mine's already live since I've already done this, but yeah, template link, and then copy. So again, you have to have Pro to do this, but it's copied to our clipboard now. So wherever we paste with Control V or Command V, that link is going to pop up. So when you just paste it into your design, it'll show you a preview of the design. And yeah, so that's what you see now. This is basically the first page, and then I clicked into the other one and scrolled a couple pages just to give them a good preview, and then now we're going to use that same link that's copied and we're going to hyperlink it. So to do that, hit Command K and it'll bring up the link window, and then you can paste your link, or you can just simply click on what you want to link and then hit Command V and just paste the link back into it. Now when you do this on something that has text, the text will automatically be underlined, so I like to go and click on the underline thing to undo it, as you just saw me do, and that's it. So we're going to go ahead, share, download. Very, very important, we're going to share it as a PDF standard. This will ensure that the links are clickable, so let's only choose the one that I just made with you guys. We're going to go ahead and download it, and then we are going to open it up and see what it looks like. Okay, this is what it ended up looking like. For some reason, the preview went black, but it still works, so at least that's good. But I'm gonna go ahead and troubleshoot what happened there. So I'm just gonna delete one of them, refresh the page, and then just keep the small one. So whatever, I guess it didn't go my way, and I'm just gonna go ahead and download that as a PDF again, just so that my links are clickable. And look at the preview, it looks good. We're gonna click on it to double check, and you're done. You just created your hyperlinked digital download template. So if this was helpful, feel free to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next tutorial. But yeah, thanks for watching.